Today we are going to draw simple sunflower beginning from number 3. Let's write down number 3 first. Then I put a small circle here. Connect the lines of 3 like this. And we can draw several petals of the flowers like this. Connect it here. All the petals are connected to the central circle. So the drawing looks a little bit uniform in shape. Lots of petal we can see here. Here's the stick of the bottom on which the flower is resting. Let's put 2 leaves here, one on the right side, and we draw the leaves like this, coming up with little curves, and also the same type of leaves on the left side. We connect the lines like this and draw few lines along the middle line. This is it. Now we can put little shades coming from the center. It's like the radially distributing to the outward side. Okay, little shades up here. If we put some color on it, then it will be more visibly pleasant. Let's put some yellow color here. You can see the color yellow here. All right, the main branch is like green. And the leaves looks like light green. Wow, the drawing becomes nice and nice. In the middle we can put a little dark color. All right, so this is the canvas. All right, so this is the drawing of a sunflower initiated by number 3. I hope you guys like the video. Please like, share and subscribe and do the practice and practice. Please put the bell icon on if you want to get any new updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.